creative people, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, I'm going to show you how I converted this plain pajama into super cool minion pajama. It's super easy to do. If you want to see more videos like this, then please hit that like button and subscribe if you have not already. We are so close to 14k. And now, let's get started with the video. First, we will make a template like I'm doing here for making minions on pajama so they turn out to be of same size. Now trace this template on your pajama or any other cloth item. Trace as near or far as you like it to be. Now I am dividing this shape into almost 60-40% with a slight curved line. And then I am drawing hands on the lower part. After drawing all the shapes, I am inserting flashcards between the layers all over the pajama to prevent the paint getting on the other side. You can also use cardboard pieces or cardstock paper here. I am going to use these two sizes of brush here and some fabric paint. Starting with the yellow color first to paint the upper part of minion. Going in with blue fabric paint to paint the lower part of minion except the hands. Once the yellow paint has dried, it's time to paint on the eyes. For that, I am using the cap of this pen and applying paint on its edge like this. Do stamp on some rough surface first to get the idea of its size and also whether it stamps perfectly or not. If you do any mistake like this, then let the black paint dry completely and then apply yellow paint again on top of it. Now for making the inner circle of the eye, I am using this broken paint brush. Dip it in the paint like this and start making the inner circle of the eye. Here as well, paint on some rough surface first to get off the excess paint from the tool you are using. Now, when the blue paint has dried, paint on the hands with yellow paint. And finally, add all the other little details like strap of the goggles, hair, and smile with some black paint. Trying to paint little bit different kind of hair and facial expression for all the minions so that the final piece looks more interesting. This is how our complete minion pajama looks like. I really enjoyed making this for my baby. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want a second episode of this series where we will convert a plain clothing item into awesome one with some easy technique. Please subscribe if you haven't already and comment down below your reviews, questions, feedback, etc. Anything you want to let me know. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.